A warm and joyous holiday season to the Louisian community. As we gather in celebration of Christmas and the coming New Year 2025, let us reflect on the many blessings that have graced us in the year 2024. While the year had its share of challenges, we have continued to thrive with our shared values and commitment to excellence. Christmas is a season of love, hope, and gratitude. It reminds us of the light that guides us even in the most difficult times. Here at USLT, the light comes from each of you. Your dedication, hard work, and shared vision have illuminated our path toward success and growth. To our faculty and staff, thank you for inspiring and shaping minds with your knowledge and compassion. To our students and pupils, your enthusiasm and achievements fuel our mission and remind us of the boundless potential of education. To our alumni and other stakeholders, your loyalty and your support uplift us and keep our mission strong. This year, we have witnessed milestones and breakthroughs that affirm the vibrancy of our university. These accomplishments are a testament to the collective effort and faith that unite us all. As we celebrate the birth of Christ and welcome a new year, may we continue to embrace a spirit of unity, a spirit of service. Let us remember that every act of kindness, no matter how small, creates ripples of hope and joy in the world. Looking ahead, I am filled with optimism for what we can achieve together. May 2025 bring renewed purpose, strengthened relationships, and inspired dreams for everyone in our Louisian community. On behalf of the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao, I wish you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2025. May your homes be filled with peace, love, and happiness, and may the coming year bring abundant blessings to you all.